अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक बाय रहमान में खुश आमदीद। व्यूवर्स, आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन शटर स्टॉक। आप शटर स्टॉक पर कैसे पैसे कमा सकते हैं। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। इससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि हमारे चैनल की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुँच जाए। मेक मनी ऑन शटर स्टॉक। If you are a talented photographer with impeccable photo and video editing skills, you should know that various online platforms offer you a great opportunity to earn passive income from your work. A nice place for you to be is Shutterstock. It is one of the biggest marketplaces similar to the likes of Creative Market, where you can sell your photos and videos for a good sum of money if you know what you are doing. It's essentially a bridge where people looking for high quality videos and photos on practically anything meet with skilled photographers looking to sell their work of art. However, the path to earning on Shutterstock is not straightforward. There are several aspects that you need to consider to avoid the various pitfalls on the way. So if you feel you have the skills to make a quick buck on this amazing micro stock website, you are come to the right place. In this article, we will take you through all the aspects that explain how to make money on Shutterstock. As a preface to this article, if you are looking to level up your skills before selling on Shutterstock, check out our articles on the best digital art classes and courses for designers, and the best courses for coding alongside our suggestions for hardware in our best budget laptop for graphic design article. What is Shutterstock? Before we get started trying to answer how to make money on Shutterstock, we need to know a bit more about the platform. Shutterstock is a global marketplace where people trade high quality videos and photos. It was launched back in 2003 and is headquartered in New York, so it's been in operation for just under 2 decades, garnering customers from all around the world. The platform currently has a presence in at least 150 countries providing digital imagery license. Shutterstock's main aim is to connect digital contributors and buyers with a view of making successful transactions. Photographers looking to make some money from their work can upload images to their photo library and get paid a commission when customers buy. How does Shutterstock work? Before we ask how to make money on Shutterstock, we need to know how it works. Here goes. There are two kinds of account you can open on Shutterstock: customer account and contributor account. Contributor post their photos and videos where customer browse through them to find one to buy. But since our article is about making money on Shutterstock, we will be focusing on the contributor account. Registering is a contributor account on your Shutterstock is a relatively straightforward process. From this point, you making money destination will be in sight. You simply need to take some cool videos and photos, upload them on the site, and wait for a prospective customer to download them before you can finally get paid. That's just about it. So if you have an eye for high quality Snapchat to go with unrevealed video editing and publishing skills, then this site can change your fortunes. According to the site, you can instantly start getting thousands of visitors and being earning money as long as you are posting outstanding and high quality photos and videos. Generally, there are three kind of content you can sell on Shutterstock. These include photo selling. You can trade photos on the site as long as they are in JPF Pro format and at least 4 MP. This is to say that you will need a good camera with a high resolution for this. तो व्यूवर्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन शटर स्ट्रोक। आप शटर स्ट्रोक पर कैसे पैसे कमा सकते हैं। उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो की प्रॉपर समझ लग गई है और वीडियो पसंद आई है। अगर वीडियो समझ लग गई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दे और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलिएगा ताकि टेक बाय रहमान की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुंच जाए। इस वीडियो का लिंक अपने फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव के साथ भी शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी मालूमात में इजाफा हो सके। टेक बाय रहमान को दें इजाज़त, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।